Okay, in today's YouTube video, we'll be reviewing Vaclife, which is essential for anyone that owns a car. All right, so this is how you use it. So you could set it up to whatever PSI you want. It's got a flashlight. Oh, it's got a flashlight here. See back here? Wait, see back here? Take that out.
That's the hose.
Yep. Come on, man. Come on, Eddie. All right, as you can see, he's got a little bit of a flat tire. But yeah, the link is in the description below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so please like, comment, subscribe. No, you got to open that first, and then pop it in, and then close it. And then what you do is you hit the power button. So right now it's at 9 PSI.
Are we in action?
Actually, no, we're 1 minute into the video.
Yes, sir.
So my friend Eddie here wanted a air compressor for his car because his front tire is, no good. So I says, no problem. I got an air compressor in my car.
Thank you, Mr. John.
Thank you. Yes. So yeah, you plug it in, cigarette lighter. I mean, it's not that complicated, really. You could set it, as you can see, as you're utilizing it. It was at 9 PSI, now it's at 13 PSI. And now we wait. Before and after. I say this is well worth whatever it costs. I think it cost like $25 last time I checked. I personally bought one for myself and for my wife because at the end of the day, who wants to go to a freaking gas station, put quarters in it, and spend God knows how much money in the rain when you could just do it at your convenience? And if you're ever in a situation like my friend Eddie here, you could essentially... No, it is. It really is a good pump. It really is a good compressor, and I personally bought it. I've had it for a while. I used and abused it. It hasn't failed me. And what else do you want from an air compressor, really? Most importantly, it's dummy proof, right? So if you don't know what, every car manufacturer has a sticker, right? So it tells you the front tire should be 33 PSI, the rear tire pressures should be 33 PSI as well. So what does that mean? If you don't know what the number is for the PSI, yeah, I don't know why you didn't open your window, but yeah. Okay, let's not crimp my wire, but right now it's at 19.5 PSI. It's at 19.5 PSI. And yeah, man, it could definitely save you when you're in a pinch. I like doing good deeds. By the way, service charge, $70.
There you go.
No. But all in all, it's a phenomenal product. It doesn't take much space. I've seen some Harbor Freight air compressors that were obnoxiously large. You could tuck this away in your back seat, in your trunk. It doesn't take much. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. If you do plan on buying one, please use my link in the description below so I do make my commission. I only make a measly 4%. But I am grateful for that 4%. And I am trying to make as much money as possible. I got a family, so thank you in advance for supporting me. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.